What's up, YouTube? You know what we're here to do. More car meets. And here with my brother. With the GT. Sheesh, man. Damn, turn me into a demon. Turn me into a demon. Yo. And you guys get to see his car in the light. Sheesh. So today, Theo's gonna be the cameraman.
Yes, sir.
We got this little fake gimbal. Hopefully his hands is steady, and hopefully he doesn't drop it. He's going to get all the nice shots tonight, right?
Yeah, I got you.
Got you. All right. So if the video quality is shitty, go on his Instagram and say, yeah, we thought you had it. So wide body progress, and my ST is nice and super clean, nice and vacuumed. Oh shit, forgot to vacuum the trunk, but that's not important. All right, let's go meet up with the other people. All right, let's get this cold start going. In 3, 2, 1. Too. We out here got Giovanni. Oh man, he always looking perplexed at his dashboard. Everything good, my guy?
Yeah.
Yeah, wow, I missed that Mitsubishi beep. Clean as hell.
Should have brought my car out here. Little 4.6. Little 4.6. I'll smoke that shit though.
Yeah, I'm spraying it.
You can't prepare.
And it just started falling slow. You know what I mean? Can't prepare. Yeah, man.
You gotta come prepared.
Low tire pressure, man. Low tire pressure. Oh man, the photo GTR. Oh shit.
Straight from Japan.
Straight from Japan, bro. Oh, RX-7. Oh man. Yo, let me hear it, man. Let me hear it.
This man Donovan raced over there.
So this is the setup we have tonight. It's just gonna be really nice, honestly. This is I never met other SC owners, I'm not even gonna lie to you. This is a big first for me. Yo, this shit is nice, man. This man's on bag.
Bring up the NW. I'll bring that. Babylon shut the spot down. Next spot. Babylon shut it down.
Alright guys, well we got to the next meet and it's already shut down. Oh look, a drone. It's got facial recognition, everybody. Yeah, is that a Veloster N though? Oh man. Oh man, we got the Evo crew out here. What? Veloster N, boy, that shit's turbocharged. You guys don't sleep on that car. Empire. Damn. Alright guys, this is like the full spot of the night. We're gonna end it off here at Deer Park train station. You can see the passing by train if you guys can see that far. I don't know how good the GoPro footage is. Yeah, so don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Never forget.
Never stop modifying.
Here we go, gotcha.